No. Morning, sir. You're Chadwick, no. Sir, you're charged with two cases. You're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon and driving while your license is invalid. You're facing up to a year on the gun case and or $4,000 fine, up to 6 months in jail, and or a $2,000 fine on the suspended license case. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay, good morning, Sean.
On May 5th, 2026, in Harris County, officer conducted a traffic stop on a motor vehicle for expired registration. The defendant, the driver, stated that he had a firearm inside the motor vehicle. Driver's license search returned that the defendant was not eligible and had no active insurance on the motor vehicle as well. And then a black handgun was found in the backseat pocket.
Sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to drive. Mr. Bugno, I don't care what you have to do in this life. If you don't have a Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name, do not drive. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care that you have to work. Baby has to go to the hospital. You drive, you will go to jail. I will revoke both of your bonds. I'm going to have you sign a promise with me today. This is an affidavit that you're going to swear to us that you're not going to drive under any circumstance. If you want to drive, go get your license, get insurance, come back to me, show me, and then I will take this restriction off. But if you do, it's just really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? Also, as a condition, while this case is open, you're not to be in possession of any weapons as well. We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box and we'll get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go.
All right.
No
Judge.
weapons in the driving, please.
Bottom of 12, Luna, come on up.
Good morning, Mr. Luna. So you're charged with discharging a firearm in a metropolitan area. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you, sir.
On May 5th in Harris County, officers were dispatched to a discharge of firearm call for service. The reportee viewed males shooting randomly before leaving the area in the vehicle. Officer located the vehicle and detained the two passengers. The defendant was the driver of the vehicle. 3 shell casings were found in a clear cup in the front passenger door. Officers found a clear plastic bag containing marijuana in between the console and the front passenger seat. Witness stated that they heard a sound of a firearm discharged twice coming from a park located across from her residence. The witness saw the defendant standing outside of the vehicle, to then get in the passenger side of the vehicle and go to another location. Witness followed them to another location and viewed the defendant exit the vehicle. Witness captured the video of the vehicle leaving to a nearby trailer, and the vehicle then returned. Witness viewed the defendant exit the side, looked down and pick up what she believed to be shell casings from the shooting. Defendant then entered the passenger seat of the vehicle and left the location again. Witness observed video footage from security cameras where he heard gunshots and showed the defendant leaving and returning to the area, shooting along with defendant looking around in the ground.
So there's video of him actually shooting.
Yes.
Mr. Luna, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, including marijuana. You're also not to be in possession of any weapons. If I find that you do either, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? This is not a revolving door. You endanger my city. I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. Do you understand? How old are you, sir?
17.
We will appoint you a lawyer today, but understand, I don't care how old you are. I don't care what color you are. You have a weapon, you use alcohol or marijuana. Do you understand me? All right, I'm going to have you sign a reset and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box.
All right, Judge, bottom of 13, Martina.
Oh, there you are. Hey, Ricardo. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Good to see you. It's been a while. Miss Marquina, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Okay.
On May 6th in Harris County, officer dispatched in reference to a family disturbance. The officer made contact with the defendant and observed bloodshot eyes and strong odor of alcoholic beverage. The complaining witness, the defendant's mother-in-law, stated that the defendant and the complainant's son were drinking when they began arguing. The defendant said she intended to leave the location with her daughter. The complainant told the defendant not to take the child, but the defendant refused. The complainant attempted to remove the child when the defendant struck her on her right arm with a closed fist, causing pain and discomfort. Officer observed the complainant to have swelling on her arm.
Okay. Do we know whether she wants to have contact with her or
I
not?
don't believe we do, Judge. We haven't done a recall it.
Okay.
If I may, very briefly, I've actually spoken to the CW. She wants no protective order. She's not in any kind of fear. She has been speaking to her. She's come over to my client's house to basically make peace and give each other hugs or whatnot. So my understanding, she wants to.
Great. I want them to verify it first, though. Until we do that, Ms. Marquina, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I am going to issue what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Ms. Benitez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate or threat or harass behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. I am also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you will be tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail, I will make your bond high. Do you understand? Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Ricardo. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're playing games, then likewise, I will revoke your bond. For now, we will have you sign all the conditions and orders. It may change later on if they're able to get a hold of her, but at that point, and until we change the orders, no contact, no weapons, no alcohol or illegal drugs, including marijuana. Do you understand? Okay, come on. Thanks, Ricardo.
That's it for now, Judge.
Wonderful. Herman, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Come on up.
Mr. Rodriguez, I think we have to set the file.
Okay. So no PTI?
It's not locked into you.
It's not, okay.
Obviously.
Where is Mr. Rodriguez here now?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mr. Rodriguez.
coming up, Mr. Rodriguez. So this is his, what I'm going to tell him now is this is the
We told him the same.
final, at this point, if we set it, he will go to trial. I will not accept any more plea bargain agreements after this day.
If, and this is an if, in capital letters, if they open tier one, and they'll talk, we heard talk about tier one opening in late May, early June.
I'm not, no.
No, but let me, I don't know if you know tier one, they dismiss it on the front end. Okay, so would you be amenable, if it opens, we're gonna set it.
What do you mean they dismiss it on the front end?
He doesn't have to do anything, they just, once you enter tier one, the case is dismissed.
I mean, if they dismiss it, they dismiss it.
Okay,
But if
yeah.
you set it for trial,
Yes,
so what offers do you have on the case
it's a
now?
PTI off, tier two.
Got it. So your case is 201 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days. I'm not in the business of just going to continuing to delay. No. If you want to set it for trial, wonderful. I'm happy to do it, but I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after this time. We're not going to set it for trial. You get here, we get a jury here, and then, okay, well, now I want to plead guilty. It's not going to happen. If we set it, you will go to trial. If they dismiss it, that's on them. I don't care. But if you set it, you will go to trial, kicking or screaming. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I don't want you to make a decision now. I'll have you talk to Herman.
We've talked, and she's talked to my staff, we're comfortable going forward.
Okay, so we'll give you a trial date, 30 days.
Sure.
You got to be here on the day of trial unless they dismiss it, and we'll go from there.
Very good. Thank
Okay,
you.
all right, please.
Thank you.
I got two other cases if you don't mind. Next one, Judge, I don't think they have PC on Ventura. If we could read it, if you can determine if they have PC or not.
Well, I've already said it let me see if I've done PC. If I've done PC, then I've already done it.
We'll get here again, potentially. I wasn't here for that one before. for his arraignment, Judge. After.
Okay, go for it.
On March 8th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a traffic hazard call at 9900 Central Parkway. Officer stated that defendant was the sole occupant of the vehicle and asleep behind the wheel. The vehicle was in a moving lane of traffic, and officer observed defendant to have bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and vomit on his shirt. Defendant admitted to coming to his cousin's house and driving home. Standard field sobriety from perfected 6/6 HDN, 2 out of 8 walking turns, 2 out of 4 one-leg stand. DIC was read and defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.149 and 0.142. Officer recovered a firearm from the glove compartment of the vehicle and 2 magazines in the center console.
You know, something was missing, Judge. The car was off, pulled to the touch, no indications of furtherance. They don't know when, if he was operating the vehicle.
He's in a moving lane of traffic.
But the car was off, the key was in his lap. We don't know if someone else drove there.
But
Your Honor,
that's,
he also admitted to driving.
I think that, I mean, clearly there's enough for PC, perhaps maybe not beyond a reasonable doubt, but for PC purposes, I think that there's enough.
If I park my car in the street and vomit and I don't, that's not operation.
You're in a moving lane of traffic, you're by yourself, you've sleeping, you've got vomit on you, they come to you, and I think that there's enough for PC.
Okay,
Yeah. So we'll just give you a reset.
sure.
Okay.
Next one is Shangola.
SH?
CH.
Page 4.
Oh, page 4. Okay,
Just needed some guidance from the court. They have indicated that they will not have field sobriety tests video. They don't have them videotaped, or they had it, or they lost it. Yeah, they're not.
is this your, I think, Sean, this is your case.
Yeah.
Let's talk.
So understanding that the station video we never got, which is where the SFSC were performed.
Was anything done on the scene?
Besides an interview of the defendant outside the car, that's about it. So we're setting it for an eval to see how we're going to proceed with the trial case or not.
Okay,
So the proper eval, talk to my client, Judge, is it your opinion that if they don't have a station, video of them doing the field sobriety test, what is the court's position?
well, they have it, but it's at the station.
No,
No, there's no SFSC.
they did
I
it.
thought you said there were SFSTs done at the station.
We don't have the video of them. Apparently they were done, but we don't have the video.
It's pretty weird.
Weird.
Why?
Not sure.
What would you like me to do?
Well, they shouldn't be, well, the statute requires that my client be entitled to a video of his field sobriety test. Okay,
I'd like to just know what statute is referring to, so we can make
Sure.
sure.
yeah, I'll find it. I mean, once there's video made, he's entitled to a copy of it.
Sure. But if a video was never made, then it was
The
never
video
made.
was made. They're saying it was made, but somehow they don't know what happened. And I'm not saying it was, obviously it was in the DA's office, but they made a video,
So what would you have me do?
not allowed.
What's the recourse?
Well, well, that's what I'm trying to get.
Sure.
I don't think it's unfair to say that then they cannot discuss the field sobriety test. What occurred on the field sobriety test, if my client's entitled to a video of that. Remember, we used to go to the DFL.
Sure, of course. No. I understand. What's your response?
So right now, all we know is that there's testing done at Bear Creek. We don't know if there was a video or not of the SFSTs.
So let's do this. Let's set up for a week because it's already at 160 days old. Reach out to the officer, reach out to admin, reach out to whoever you can to see, hey, was there a video created? If so, where is it? Was it not created? What's going on? Let's regroup in a week, get a solid answer so we know how we can move forward. let me make, again, a last ditch effort to see what they cannot recover, and then,
Yeah, and
We'll
that's
go
why
from there.
I
I
started
understand,
with
I get it.
needs of guidance and properly addressing with my client.
I understand, absolutely, but I want to know 100% that they either have it, lost it, never created it, and we'll go from there. So let's do a week. I'll waive the appearance in that time, and then in the interim, are they approved? Are they
Well, I think
PTI?
Sean's also gonna look, we outlined, we gave him like 4 bullet points of why we don't think there's PC as well.
Got it. Okay. In the interim, let's say just everything falls apart. Or do they need a mitigation pack?
They would not, no, Judge.
No? Okay. All right. We'll see you in a week. Thanks. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Boris.
Correa.
Correa, with a C, right?
Yes, so this is the Pasadena case, they just released on Discovery this morning. So-
Dope. Okay, so we'll give you a couple weeks.
To
Yes,
review all the
absolutely. Yeah.
Discovery.
Okay.
Okay, good.
But it's getting old. At the next setting, be ready to let us know where you want to head toward.
I understand, but
Okay.
it's not on,
Well, then
and it's
come-
not on him either, it's just.
Then come to me earlier and I will put pressure on them. If you come to me at 100, I don't care if it's Punka City. If you come to me at 140 days and they don't have anything, I'm gonna give them a deadline,
Fair.
you know? Yeah. Okay. Keely.
Hey, good morning, Judge.
Hi, good
Can you
morning.
hear me all right?
Is
Hey,
that a
good
jail
morning.
case?
No, he's on docket. He should be under Y or O. He's got 2 last
Okay.
names. Or
Understood.
sorry, O or C. Ospina Calderon. The case is, I want to say the case is still very new, less than 30 days old.
Yeah,
We're still missing 911, and I saw that the state attempted a RIP, but the CW is a Spanish speaker, so they will need to get a translator to conduct the RIP. Judge, so if you'll recall, you had us come back and had his appearance not waived because you wanted him to resubmit a financial affidavit. I'm not sure what the status of that is. I'm not in the courtroom, obviously.
I'll
but
call
I
him up
don't-
here in a
I don't know
second.
how you wanted. Okay.
Ospina.
All files here that look like it's all right. That's the all of these. Yeah, there's some of the stuff, certificates, you know, all the way down. It's all. Yeah, that green shield means it's viewable by you, it was released 3/19. Yeah. You can see that there's anything going on. Yeah. So good, download it. So you see, you said, you're applying for two. Yeah. Well, anyone. For the check. Yes, they could have very. Anyway, okay. It's okay. No, I mean, we can work something out. Okay. All right. Unless if, they sure you.
Here's like a little bit of. Y'all always look at. Since they're always leaving the voice to make like. Like, those are the guys. That would be. Mr. Chen? It's what? All that stuff.
Yes, you had a chart that.
Hey, Luis, I'm gonna need to borrow you for 1 second.
Martina?
Ospina Calderon. Huh? He didn't check in. Got it. He didn't check in.
Judge, I am texting him and I sent him a reminder. I told him I was going to appear
Just
virtually.
be
Let me reach out
careful.
to him.
Be careful, Keely, you know?
Driving, yeah. Let me reach back out to him, Judge, but he should be there. He's perhaps in the hallway. Let me just reach out to him briefly.
Well. Well, yeah, they said. That's. Well, I mean, it's probably just like.
Judge, Judge, I am circling back on Mr. Ospina. It appears that there was a misunderstanding. He's not in court today. If we could have him rolled over to tomorrow, I can be there in person and approach with you.
He knows exactly what happened, what he wants, no.
Judge, like I said, the misunderstanding was on my end.
It's not a
I see the text
misunderstanding.
messages.
No. It's not. But just go and we'll see if he shows up and then I'll reach out to you if he does.
Okay, I am reaching out to him now, see if he can make it to court before you wrap up docket. But I do have good contact with him. I see the text message thread where we informed him that we thought he had been reset to June. So that was really on my end, not on him. Thank you, Judge.
I guess just, yeah, I'm revoking his bond though. So,
Okay, give me a sec, Judge.
yeah. Okay, I guess we'll reach out to you or just let me know.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right. Have a safe drive.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye. Mr. Baylor, yeah.
And the judge, I've
Hey.
got Mr. Gilbert on your docket. I know you've only come in a little bit late, right? So it's left bench. I'm sure the court is.
I remember. He's refusing to do it. Yeah. Okay.
That's right, Your Honor. He is, I don't know exactly, right? So maybe the court can provide help. So with previous time served, he got, I understand. He does have, all right, I go, but we've been around 70 days. So he's working on that next.
How many days it cost?
70 around.
No.
Don't. You tell me.
Salem. Yeah, last. I think Salem's around. Let me go. He does have 6 Okay, well, I didn't know he had that much time. Okay, so I guess do,
Are we okay?
yeah, do 150 credit for both.
Okay.
That should be sufficient. Yeah,
Thank you.
okay.
I appreciate it, Mr. Hart.
I didn't realize, I thought he had,
He maybe could have been. But thank you.
hi, good morning, Mr. Jaworski.
Last name McClung, man. Villarreal.
Okay. Where we headed?
I've got the discovery. It's a real weird factual situation. And, I must set up the trial.
Okay, so I'm happy to do that, but I don't want to get here 45, 6 days later and, oh, now I want to do something
No,
different.
you-
So
no.
you said it, we're gonna go. Villarreal, come up.
Before recess?
Mr. Villarreal, I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more, really. If you want to set it for trial, I'm happy to do it, but today's your plea bargain deadline. Once we set it, you will go to trial kicking or screaming. I don't care. I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after today. I don't want everybody to have to prepare for trial, bring a jury, and then, oh, you know what? I want to plead guilty. It's not going to happen. You said it, happy to do it, but you will go to trial. I don't want you to make a decision out. You guys can speak, make a decision, but if we said it, you will go. No more plea bargains agreements after today. All right? Okay, you guys make the decision. Let me know. If you want to set it, just go talk to Ramon and we'll set it.
Okay.
All right. Hi, Corey. What's up, man?
I have, 10 homes.
Okay,
I'm over 178 days old.
yeah. Where do you want to go? Where are we going?
So, we're waiting on some restitution information to plan. I'll be frank, this is not, I haven't been pushing her to get this information. I've been tied up with.
But you don't have to. They should be doing it regardless.
I'm just trying to be collaborative.
And she said that they were covered by insurance, but she didn't have.
I know, but she still has a deductible.
Yeah, and I've asked her to send me deductible. She hasn't sent it to me yet.
So do this. Let's do a week and go, you can either give it to me within the next reset. If not, we're going forward and you get nothing. But we're not going to wait. It's 180 days. You either get it now. It takes literally all of 2 seconds to send a damn email. So next week, if it's not here, that's it. Do you have an offer on the case?
I have have an offer pending restitution probation offer.
Okay, so have an offer ready to go by the next setting. Let's have your client here, make a decision, and we'll go from there.
If, can I give him, because with his work schedule, can I give him more than a week's notice on you need to be in court? We do a couple.
Sure, sure. 2 weeks, let him know he's got to be here and we'll go from there.
Understood.
Okay.
Thank you.
Judge, what's this? You think of a trial?
Yeah, next setting is clear trial. They're getting a restitution amount. They don't have it yet, so. Hi, Dan, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. So I'm here today, I'm covering a case. The defendant's name is Marcus Oliver. He was arraigned in setting today. Now, he was arrested on the 6th of this month. He spoke with our law firm on the 8th. When he spoke with our law firm, he met with an intake attorney who's primarily out of Boston, who gave us incorrect information that if he hired us and we filed a notice of clearance, he wouldn't actually get the presence. That is.
Oh, he needs to be here.
So I know he needs to.
So he's not here.
He's not here, he's in Maine. And
No.
I know.
Not good. So I tell you what, I'll give you until Monday. It's got to be here by
Can
Monday.
we give him 2 weeks, Judge? That's what
No,
we're able to do.
no, it's a DWI and he needs conditions. It's got to, I'm not giving him 2 weeks. He knows he has a piece of paper that tells him that he's supposed to be here.
I understood, Judge, but it is our.
Pick a
call
day.
that we-
I get it. Pick a day next week. Let him know he's got to be here. If he's not here, then, all right. Okay. Yes, it was someone else. It's someone else. It's not me. Hey, Dan,
Yes, Judge.
he has a Houston address here.
Right, Judge. So I have an employment letter. So he works for an industrial company and he's on a project in Maine and he can.
Do you have proof that he's actually there now, that he's,
So I have.
employed there?
This is from his employer. We have him to send, some verification from his employer. So this is from Stronghold Companies where he works. And this is the letter that they sent her everything.
okay,
And so he told our office that he gets his contract in 2 weeks and he can come down and he can react.
no, but look at this criminal history, man. It's, I mean, dangerous, extensive, a week. He's got to be here within a week.
I understand your honor.
Yeah.
And they only really that it's our fault, but
Well, and whoever told him this should know better. That you never override a court order. You, as a lawyer, can never override a court order. I mean, it's just.
understood, Judge. I know practices are different in some counties, but I understand.
And it's just you just need to be here the first damn setting. That's all you got. That's all we need. I'm not asking, you know what I mean?
I think if he would spoke with someone decent, they would be here. This is where we are. I'll tell him he has a week.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Hi. Hey, Glenn. What's up, man?
Mr. Murphy.
Yeah, I saw it. So where are we with the PTI?
Everything's set to go.
Okay.
They don't want him into the program until he has the restricted driver's license.
I'll grant it for you now,
Okay.
but he's going into the program, correct? Got it. Okay,
Everything's turned in, it's all done.
okay, I'll grant it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, just, she'll bring it out and then I'll sign it.
Okay, do I need to go talk to her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just, email her.
Got it.
Sixteen, 17.
Okay.
253,
Okay.
7686.
What do you pick up? Oh my God. It's aggravating.
It was against his ex-girlfriend's. The
10.3. Yeah. Thank you for letting me know. Hi. Yes. Wow, it's been a while. How are you, Sophia? How are things?
I just came for a VIP to make it on myself. It was.
Sure.
But I just wanted to say hi.
Great to see you. Yeah, yeah. Are you working on a different floor or where? No more?
I'm doing a little bit more of immigration. Probably I'm going to try picking up some more felonies. The mic thing.
I get it.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't see you that often, but it's always nice to be.
Yeah, yeah. Well, great to see you.
Good to see
Yeah.
you too, sir.
You too.
Bye.
Okay. Hi, Kobe. How are you, man?
Mr. Desmond Lundy today, he's actually outside, he's on press, not confirming all, to see him. Just on the docket, because you're going into your jobs, we're kind of come back with an update on that. Couple things, Mr. Lundy's a little bit special, any jobs that he would do, probably do kind of manual labor type jobs. He's been, still got some other records from Royal Herman, he's had severe gout, he's a gout sufferer. I understand if you gotta do manual work, that's gonna make it hard. What we did do, because he hasn't gotten a job, we tried to apply and find time. We got him into a GV program, seen that.
Wonderful.
So he's working on that. I told him, at least that would give him another, maybe get a job if he completes that. So I've seen that, he's registered, his brother comes up here, work with him a lot, I mean, work with his brother, getting in classes. So he's doing that with the hopes that once he finishes the DV, you know, get a job. So we had hoped that that would be sufficient. because
That's
this guy's
good.
doing something.
Good. I'm happy that he's doing that. That's nice. Just tell him to keep it up and I want to see the light at the end.
I'm working with him, trying to get him some.
I understand. I trust you.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Thanks, man.
Mr. DeVoe,
Hey.
you have a brand.
I did. She got scared.
They have another piece that has a 700.
Sure, just let me check on that too.
Hi, Joe.
Just trying to make sure. Here, no, you're not, so I'm gonna refile. Because I got a text from a felony lawyer that never refiled felony.
Oh, that's what this one is.
I think that's what that's gonna be. Which is why I'm gonna sell this, because
Okay.
okay, let me check and confirm that, but that's my understanding.
Check and talk to us. Okay, those color in the side. Resolution. And then a few things.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was an accident. Yes,
Did they tell us the restitution?
No, it's here. And two, five, three, four, seven.
But she didn't tell us.
No, I think it's good. But I just. Follow up with her.
Legally, I have to focus that in. No.
Check it out. It's gonna stand.
In here or somewhere else there? Okay. DWI. I said for a bet. So the whole time. And yeah. I'm there. I should check it out.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like the bottom right.
Yeah, there's one small part. Water comes back. It's spraying. It's all the same. You're really not coming this year. Hopefully they don't have this.
Here, I'll take it. Fine.
I want to introduce you to one of my new colleagues, Mr.
Hello, hi, nice to meet you. Pleasure. Are you interpret as well? Oh, great. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you're in good hands.
Well, as a matter of fact, Lisa and I have worked together, and also we attended classes together online, the continuing interpretation.
Oh, nice.
Active participants. Right on. He's like the Pope, he speaks like 7 languages.
Wow.
Yeah, but I told Lisa I only interpret in Spanish, English because of the complexity of the task. So I don't know how to say motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim in German, for example. In Spanish, I could at least have fighting.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Más importante, no, por el país, you know why they're the most important? Okay, if you defend the culprit, he's the one for, okay.
Source coding and the cost.
I, it's just. So they. Does he have? And more time to go.
Judge Matheson.
Sure.
They're saying one of the two boxes needs to be checked, that the.
Sure.
I don't know which one. I mean, it says the court finds on its own that he's either going to come to say. He tells me he's schizo, but he's on medication. I just have serious questions.
I'll do it for you then. Don't worry.
I just.
Yeah, I'll take care of it for you.
I don't want to.
He's currently in custody?
He's in custody, $2,500 bond.
I remember him. Yeah. Okay, I'll take care of it.
Okay, thanks. Judge.
Thank you. You bet. Wow. What's up?
Living the dream.
I feel you. Did you ever follow that, the Murdoch murder case out of South Carolina, where he was accused of the wife and the son? They just overturned the murder conviction today. Yeah.
Wow.
He's still serving a 40-year sentence because he, he's a lawyer who admittedly, I guess, took from clients and they charged him federally and got a 40-year sentence. But well, I don't know if they're going to retry him, but they just overturned the murder conviction, which is huge because that was.
But my daughter watched it. Special.
Yeah, I did too. It was just, my wife and I did too. And I think.
That's amazing.
Yeah, but I guess the clerk had a profound impact, what they said on the jurors. So we'll see if they redo it, Because I don't know, on a federal sentence, how much do you do? Do you do 2/3? What, I don't know. Yeah, yeah.
I put it over there.
Clyde, does she have the documents she needed to sign it?
There was one typo and she's fixing that and it's all.
Okay.
She said she'd be right back.
Yeah, and this is the court
I was just laughing because you had a. Look at, I was in trouble with Margaret Harris, so just smiling like that, you might not be held in contempt.
I know I know.
I like.
I tried, you know what? I tried 3 cases with her and I always got a fair trial.
Yeah.
I tried cases with, oh man, I did all of them.
That, yes.
The one I really didn't. I'm live streaming, so we'll talk about it later, but there was one particular judge that I tried a case in front of him, like mid-trial, he just starts helping the opposition and just saying, well, this is how you need to do this. Is in the middle of the trial, I'm like, what? What? But other than that, I mean, I always got.
I just didn't guess what it was. I had a song.
But everyone else, I really had a great experience with, always fair, except for that one, but.
Ideally, yes.
She always gave me first call, then I had nothing. She was,
Oh, wow. You were around that?
Yeah.
Wow. How long have you been practicing? 30 years?
Well, yeah, about.
Wow.
Defining sections.
I guess I started right when maybe she had gotten elected. Or maybe she had done one term and then, I didn't start till early 2000. That's when I started. So I don't, I mean, she was on here at least 20 something years. I don't know. But
Yeah, they thought balls were saying.
Mostly good over. You might find nice.
Yeah, strictly here. Thanks.
You're right, that or start hours.
Yeah. What's the area?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, is discovered.
Yeah.
Guys are looking offers.
Well, there's going to ponder everything we get on including the certificate of IOP. Where they putting the marinade on the meat?
Okay, how is June 23rd to the 25th?
June 23rd is good.
All right, it'll be a wait to go.
All right, let's do. Yeah.
Do we know anyone in trial? Is anyone in trial? Do you know? Yeah. Remember Marcelo wanted to know if anyone was in trial?
Oh, I'm not sure if there's going on anywhere else.
They're not those people, one of the guys, big one, he's gonna approach, and most of the property in Roberts, not the, this forfeiture, not working, so. Now.
Yes.
Your Honor, may I approach very, very quickly?
Hey, Michael.
So I'm here on a motion to restore and I'll make some mistake. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah.
2617-634, and that's for Robert, or Stephen Robbins,
2617.
63.
Okay.
I believe the state is unopposed to the return.
Does he have proof that he had bought the gun?
He bought it from Spring Guns and Ammo.
Right, but does he provide proof?
I can get a receipt.
Yeah,
Let me
because
see.
I've given a gun back before and it went back to the wrong person and it was a complete and utter nightmare.
I understand.
So if I will grant it for you, but I need just to
Let me
know
get
that
that,
it's
then let
actually
me-
his, that he
It is
bought
his,
it
yes.
with the serial number matching, and then, yeah, I'm happy to give it to you. But yes, I will.
Let me give him a call and get that
Sure.
receipt real quick, and
Yeah.
I'll,
Of course.
that to the state. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Say it again. 2 and 4? Great. Awesome. Thanks.
Yeah, this whole. Sorry. Not like. How's third of most meetings? Or all that I'm seeing. And they're all three different. Oh, no. The glasses. Oh, right, there'll be a list of parents.
So I was told it's only one, there was the key like that, the new file is a museum. That's it. Looks like if you have, this just, I was just thinking, oh, the refile has been. No, so, you know, we're all those others, we're not waiting on gravity. It's all the, now it's all like it's in. So. Before we do that, all the, our listening, we're never know. That's the problem. That big again. Just some of the certain, the way they did it, that makes sure I know. I mean, but I'm assuming how it's going to discuss that. I don't know. Oh, maybe. Like, the only learning thing that I can this business, you know, get what else you would see. They're playing all this for something. They're
Yes. He was in space for the beginning of it. So what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, but he's. I think it's all the same. So what? Either the. Maybe not. She's talking about a building lawyer. I never discussed it. But it looks like it's really not dismissed yet. Yeah, sometimes they. Oh, yeah. Wait until it actually gets filed here. They're dismissed. They have to get some to track. Yes. But I'm figuring dismiss. I'm like, she probably got bought out now. She will have that $40,000. Oh, you love it. Okay. I make sure we don't do it. So, my understanding. That's the way. 40 hours now. Okay. That's going on. Okay. Okay. Thank you. There. Okay.
Yeah. It's very important. I don't think it's my fault. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking for? Big shit.
Best friend, a lot of that.
She does that prior to his action sold. Certain expectations about it. Yeah. All right. We had a question on that. It's super effective. It's still on the fish bond, that's just going to go all the way. Bond. Old shit. A long way to say that. I think these two ladies that. I think her attention is still. Maybe she doesn't. They're on the lady.
Your Honor, very, very quickly, I have the receipt and his name is.
Yeah. Did you verify it's the same serial number in the gun?
I just got those emails now, Judge. I have looked over.
Can you check real quick?
Yes.
As long as they can verify it, I'm cool.
The serial number is on the.
Michael, if it matches, I'm cool. Okay, just I want them to be able to. What's up?
Okay.
You have someone else?
So I have Miss Granberry.
In jail or bond?
She's in jail. There's a summons. We had a felony impeding breath that looks like it's going to be dismissed. They have refiled it as a misdemeanor and done that via summons. So if in custody, just because she hadn't made bonds on any of her cases.
Okay,
But there won't be those felony bond conditions because that case is going to be going away. And so we'll be dealing with it as just a.
we need to set a bond then.
So you'll need to Well, I guess if they've done it via summons, that was my question. Is it,
The thing is
did they
that,
transfer the bond? Like,
no. The thing is that, yes, theoretically, we don't have to. But if she does bond out,
Sure.
if she ever gets pulled over and an officer ever stops her, it's gonna show, it's gonna look like,
I understand.
you know?
Yeah. And so I'm happy to have that conversation. So a couple of things to know about her. She does have in total bonds for all the other cases because there's $10,000 in the VPO.
Yeah.
And so $40,000, she had never made that. Her parents were from Memphis and they were trying to get that together. Obviously, I'd leave it to you as to what kind of bond you wanted to set. I do think she'll be able to bond out now if it's not something like $40,000.
No, I'm not gonna say that, obviously at 40 grand, but
Sure.
at least 5 grand, I think would be sufficient.
$5,000 bond.
Yeah. What do you think? Are you okay with it?
I think 5,000.
Okay, so let's set it at 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,005. I need, and then Veronica, can I have a PSR, please?
And then in terms of bond conditions, just so you know, she has no problem not having any contact with this woman. We will like.
Yeah,
contest that.
so, right, who is the CW in the case?
It's her ex-girl.
So no contact, we'll put a GPS prior to release, no going to where she lives, works. Alcohol, dope, and, okay, cool. She's there now.
She's in.
We'll bring her out momentarily once we create everything, have her sign it, and then, yeah, you're good. So just whatever day you want. I don't care, whatever you want. Yeah.
Pre-trial judge? Or is that your state?
No, it's pre-trial, because she can be monitored. Yeah, okay, have fun.
That is that's so.
We have to pull the car on there.
Yeah.
We can dispose of this, so.
So that can become. Yeah.
Hey, you know, I was thinking, what probably be prudent too is to do a TRAS, just to see how to go forward, what's going on with her life. We can expedite it, get it done as quick as possible. That way she's just not singing, but lingering. And then maybe within the next week or two, we can try to, so she doesn't just sit there, Yeah, okay.
Veronica, is it for all?
She already has the. She already has the.
Is it on the VPO? Yeah, I'd like to also add it on the AFM in the event that there's an issue,
Problem with that OR not being available, they're gonna confirm.
Okay, you want tomorrow?
I'm going out of town tomorrow, but I'll be
You can
back.
Zoom.
Oh, that'll work.
That's why we have it.
That'll work.
Just to make your life easier, Michael.
All right, no problem.
Just for your ease and comfort and access.
I like coming in. I'm an old fashioned kind of guy. I wish they'd see back paper files.
No. I mean, really, how many trees are we gonna kill, right? No.
This is the myth of American forestry. We actually have more trees today than we did in 1900. So, and we also get very little.
But that doesn't justify,
We
does
also
it?
get very little of our oxygen from trees. Most of it actually comes from the ocean, from algae and plankton.
I have a lot in my pool, so
I mean, I do.
I'm giving you
I
a
do-
ton of oxygen
I
right now.
do like oxygen. It is like on my fourth or fifth favorite. Yeah, cool. All right, thank you.
All right, bye.
And take care.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay. You know, I would love to go. They would believe that.
What's the issue? Because I'll say it's years old and it's. Keep
You all, yeah, it's just that, back in this year, couple of the other days, that's like time. Back in like, you should be good. Running into contract, so check with everybody else involved, but you were good on mine. Okay.
So litigation order has been filed on this.
Great, we'll sign it.
Unless I get this. You said they.
You have it.
I guess,
That's interesting. I know, yeah, I did mine. You are having, we would probably stick so they try to do this from far. In photos, reads. Yes, sir. That's up. Yeah, that's it. We're doing each. Yeah. No, no, no. Yes. Let's see. Okay.
You apply.
Okay. Yeah, so RDA, so you are looking for. Okay. Yeah, involved in also these all that. We talked about definitely. Conversation. Is how we do on our days, but I mean, it's like.
So much to ask for internet that freaking works. I mean, what the flip? I mean, give us our own damn network. I can't even connect. God. It's like we're the Flintstones here. It's really.
Was he boss? He was. He's like Bruce. Yeah, he does somewhere else.
Another state, another county.
That was the, was where we remember that. No, it's like years ago. He said, look for.
Oh, and he's in Ghost, Ag,
But if he's still there, Galveston is not Galveston, he's in the process. We're here in Bridgetown. So I don't know if Bond is there or what happened, I don't represent Galveston.
Mr. Bella.
We represent, yeah, numbers. There's what school? They from? You're so. Well, my original argument too, maybe it sounds like great function, something else.
Okay.
But if there's. Well, you took it for.
second.
But that's in the
Yeah.
They've already. Let's see. One for here, blue one. Oh, God. But I would already, I won't be able to prove this all thing, and then when this started, an officer that only does it, so really.
Oh, is it?
I find it's really from a problem with this.
No, it's this. What did you, wait, he does not.
Yeah. I'm not before that.
Oh, that's one.
This one's also from this one.
That was for so real.
Maybe it was a resort that I built it instead, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Franzi, just all right, fine.
Excellent. And let's wait.
Oh, apologies, so. So.
How about or not?
No, it's not, no.
That's a chair, right? I can have it, please.
You do request a complaint about this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then you have a second one. That's.
Thank you.
Or do we approach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Gilbert, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with trespass and criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 150 days on each of your cases with 74 days credit. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty on each of the cases. I'll sentence you to it. Okay, please see the clerk. Got it. Stuart,
Yes, sir.
just give me your cell phone. If you're waiting for someone, just give it to me and then I'll reach out to you.
It's not different for judges.
Oh, okay. All right. If you're waiting something here, just give us your cell phone. Just
I'm
go.
on intake today, so I was.
That way you don't. Okay. All right.
How you doing today, Judge?
Good. Any day we're here with you, you know?
Yeah. All right. You got another hand in the county. Okay. You have a problem? Yeah, but it's always.
Yeah, you think?
Me. I'm the. Devon hand. Straight. 1952324. See that, Bob? What's up? Mark B. Okay. Hey. So I'm looking at the Indian federal market, he's failed down to the underscores, he's failed to below several times. Failed to do outpatient, that's got a lot of things, violations, so he's still for the MRP. What is he, I mean, if he's been in custody for a minute, how much credit does he have? He'll probably resolve his case with depending on what credit he has. It's all marketing. Yeah, might work out better for him. That way he's not on probation. I'll work with it. You'll all be see if he's quite sure idea, but you're fine. Thanks. So, 70. Felony case, he's got hundreds of forms, not paid. So. It would be a suspension if you would get fired. I assume your guy to be paid on a probation case. Probably bonded out. He's supposed to technically get credit for the time he's been. Possibly because he was charged February 14th. Solution was filed. Yeah, it was the bottom third. Never bonded out. Social Security officer. So he's got. What that is. Right. Yeah, we just, it's like, she's okay with that. Okay, all right, those are. Oh, that's actually full function. Okay. Yeah.
I just have a fascinating deal. Around yard. Let's see, driver six force. Yeah. Okay. I will have him do that. Thank you. Ralph Darden. Ralph Darden. Darden, yeah. No, I don't think I can. Sure. Did it take you one more time? We have a good show. They shouldn't be off. They operate separately or you like.
Yeah, I'm at the
Class D appeal. I don't know why he didn't show up today. I don't know if there was a mix up with the office.
Are you representing him?
Yeah.
Did you file it?
No.
How would you get appointed on a
I
class
didn't
D?
get appointed. I've ever.
You retained on it.
Attorney I work with does them, and then he contracts with me.
Okay.
Handle it.
What's the last name?
Darden.
What's the last name?
Darden. D-A-R. But he, for some reason, is not here today.
Yeah, that's no good.
Yeah, I know.
I guess pick a day later this week for him to appear,
Friday,
SFBF.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't care, whatever
I'm here
day,
both
but
days.
if he's not here, then tell him it gets revoked.
Okay, okay, you want?
I don't care. You
Friday,
choose,
Friday.
whatever you want.
I'm gonna try to have him do this. Okay. Well.
Yeah. All right, you have anything else?
And, yeah, man. Luckily I had other stuff. Right, fuck that one. Okay, right. Yeah. If you-
Can you do the plans or the studies and leave and thinking of okay, so. Actually. Look through that. Is that possible? I mean, I have mentioned. Just an approach. Think about it. Just an approach. We approach Judge?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hey.
Make this Roberts when you're down here.
Jail?
No, here's the.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So there's a ton of surveillance videos in this case, Your Honor. We're just still working our way through it, so I just wanted to approach them. I think there might
Is
be.
discovery complete?
It looks like it is complete. I'd have to look through all the discuss. We have a bunch of videos in and have to look through and make sure we have all the surveillance.
My co-counsel thought there might be one phone video missing that I don't see, but I haven't made my way through everything.
Got it. I mean, you're at 150 days. You only get one more setting.
Yeah, I
That's
think
it.
this is only our second setting, we just started on. So I think you might have.
I get it. It's still pretty old.
No problem.
Let me see. When did you guys? Yeah, you've been on it since February. Okay, I'm gonna give you another 30 days, but at that setting, he's got to be back. Put an offer on the case and just be ready. Okay? Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is, what kind of? We're gonna change the
Here's one of them.
Got it. Okay, so that's the last time, decent case. I'm start paying. You did it as a or see. Let's say that happens. Trying to get attorneys. Yes, that's very. Yeah, if you ever see. Yes, yeah, there's a super new one, right? Walmart, and that's still there now. What do we need that? But I think that's what this is, I just said that the fuck, the writing down, it's going to say. Or, that is. You don't understand me, it's different days. Oh.
It's in a
Right,
way.
uh,
I'm into sign off. You're one, they're further out with the desk. Okay.
Yeah. Do they charge you? That.
Hey,
Good morning, Your Honor.
what's up?
I'm gonna see if I can move an arraignment. It's not a DWI. I have it tomorrow to Monday.
What is it? What's the cost number?
Constitution.
What's your cost number?
It is 2618793.
Yeah, I'm down.
Thank
It's
you,
okay,
Ron.
for sure.
I have to be in Fort Bend. I don't know how long.
Don't worry
I'll
about
be
it.
there.
You're good.
Thank you, sir.
No, don't worry about it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
It's that she almost. Everybody got asked about that.
I think it's all.
Yeah, correct. They sometimes like.
Let's take it. Okay, I'll put it on.
And we got the DWI?
So the DWI is game more and one last came back, so he was pretty ornery and aggressive with the officers. I think he got me. Not sure if you'll be able to push back on it. But we do this at this meeting, right, just to the last thing that we did, 7 very but also we can need to look up and be Colorado was and there's this 5 acres or higher and it is I think to down very much.
Well, he's got a 33.
That's the residual. Stage. So he's going to the site.
Blood compounded with alcohol in the blood and benzo.
Well, I think, and I think they have the, this is the. He takes a book, and give it to the bar, and you know, it's right there. It's sad.
I guess the argument is not yet straight.
That's what it was years ago.
Yeah. One of the, they actually say for this, for the week out, every non.
What is your?
Ideally, so. But I also,
All right.
One thing you gotta say, I think she's going to stand.
And then the last thing is just gonna be.
If I, Sean, you see,
Thank you. So nice. All right. What's that? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Easy going, man. Easy go. Yeah. All right.
They work with
Where you at?
What I'm listening to, you're saying.
Okay. That's.
Always see. Like true.
I haven't been walking. That's a lot.
Today I got my fishing back. They thought I had a said about I heard some of those kids says it, but the questions out this and hurry, burn, was like, just, yeah, and literally all of like a minute. Yeah. Burn and listen.
If you want. We don't.
Just the stage, they're looking up there, maybe. They come out, like I said. Do some changes. Not like. Some.
I know, right?
Even like from me, y'all want to y'all come over.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's, yeah, that's burning up. I say, yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Hey, Carl, what's up?
Yeah, I mean, if you're ready.
I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready when you are.
Yeah. You can give him a paper if you want to.
Right. Good morning, Ms. Taylor. Ma'am, you charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Was there any restitution that's owed?
Only the bad judge.
Do you know, is there any restitution that is owed?
No, Judge.
All right. You're, so like I said, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You need to understand something extremely important, that this, what you're doing now is you're making a lifetime decision where this theft will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. I don't know how many thefts that you have, but if you have another one and now you have this one, that makes two. A third, you're looking at a felony offense years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes.
Not only that, you pick up another case in here, you're looking at 90-day at a minimum. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, then you can never take this off. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the office of theft? Guilty or not guilty? Where is this from?
Old Navy.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I'm gonna find that there's enough to go forward, find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, ma'am. Please see the clerk. All right. Good morning.
Morning, Judge, how are you?
Hey, what's up?
Mr. McDaniel, you got?
Okay.
Judge, it's PTI, but I think yours in Louisiana, and so the terms are a little bit different, and I need to reach out to Cheryl because.
But it's 266 days.
I understand, they sent us an email saying they let him on, sort of advice because he goes offshore. But then they said he's got something as driving affidavit, and he hasn't his valid license, rather do two devices or.
Sure, fine. I'll pick a day next week, whatever day you want. But
I understand, but I just gotta get that paid.
Okay.
Make sure it gets done by next week.
all right. Victoria, on top of 14, one week must appear. Yeah, okay. Hey, Bo, what's up, man?
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
What's up?
Not much, Your Honor. I just have one client on your docket. It's Kenneth Aparicio Franco. I was just saying, if I could get a reset on him, please. It's in the early stages still.
Yes, you're at 170 days though, so we got to know where we're heading.
We'll be working this out soon, Your Honor.
You don't know PTI or do you want a PTI?
I got to see if he'll qualify because there's some other circumstances with it. So I'm going to check with him if they will accept it.
NCIC real quick. I'm gonna figure it out for you right now, Bo.
Yes, sir.
Based on the facts.
Yeah, but no, look at the history, if there's any criminal history. I think that may be the issue.
Yeah. I don't know how much the feds help. Yeah.
Does have a PCS from last year out of Hallettsville.
Is that it?
That's it.
So I don't think you have any, well, I don't want to say, but is he, what do you think?
Because he has the open case, Your Honor, in Hallettsville. It's a PCS.
Yeah.
It's open, and then the accident. So that was just my biggest
Oh,
concern.
it's currently open.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
That would be John Boston.
No.
Okay.
we're talking about Aparicio.
Okay, what are we talking about?
He has an open PCS in somewhere else.
Okay, do we know if it's in Bridgeport? It's in Hallettsville.
It's in Hallettsville.
I see, I don't know where that is.
Yeah, me neither.
It's like an hour southwest of San Antonio.
Okay,
What is your opinion on PTI?
I mean, I consider anyone. Is he in custody in that place?
No, he's on bond. He's a college student at Texas State.
Okay,
So maybe you need a mitigation packet then?
I definitely need a mitigation packet, I'll consider him. Did he pick up that case while on bond?
Yeah.
Okay, so have to be a really good mitigation packet.
I understand.
Typically, if somebody's picking up criminal cases while they're on bond, I
Yeah.
don't have a good feeling
So
about.
regardless, though, you're at 166 days, so I'm gonna set you off for 2.5 weeks. And then
Okay.
he's gotta be here at the next setting. If you wanna apply for PTI, he's gotta have everything done.
Yes, sir.
And then he's gotta submit it by the next setting. I'll give you 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
That's it, though. At
Okay.
that setting, he either must come here, take care of it, we set up a trial, or he's gotta apply for PTI and have it turned in.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Bottom of page 1. Hey, Discovery's complete, right? On Aparicio? So 3 weeks. Clear trial at the next setting. If they want to apply for PTI, it's got to be submitted by the next setting. June 2nd to the 4th, Bo. You're muted.
Just a second, Your Honor.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have
Have a good
fun.
one. You too.
Okay, what's it?
Second.
Okay, got it.
Jail credit.
I have a couple of calls numbers.
It is. I'm the one.
Yeah, I signed your motion to
Thanks,
second.
Judge, appreciate it.
That's it? Okay, have fun.
Yeah, I got able to do
Yes.
All right. Yeah.
All right.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good afternoon.
Do you know if 2 or 9 are in trial?
I saw it, no, you said, but that was news to me.
Me-
Oh,
me.
I think you're 10, but I think Jerry's just talking for 17.
Legally, you can say. I know. It's weird.
Yeah.
So.
I just texted one. I just said again.
Also, the jurors were already.
Oh, wonderful. I just texted Juanita. Ms. Harris, Ms. Harris, hi. It looks like court 2 might be going to trial soon. So if you guys have any interest. Thank you.
Court 3, I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, court 3 is also about to start.
Really?
Johnson, is that, am I crazy?
That's right.
It's
Yes.
just about to.
So if you're looking for trials, 2 and 3. Yeah.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Thank you so much. Good morning. Good morning.
We don't have much going on here now because it's already 11 o'clock,
That's
but,
okay, Judge. So they were decided to meet, so I think years ago.
oh.
Yes,
Say hi.
some of them have said they see you on TV.
Oh.
So, yeah, they just. Thank you, Your Honor.
I got it. So where do you guys go to school? Where? Wisdom High School. Great. It's a small thing. It's so much time. There's no responsibility. The whole thing you have to do is just go to school and study. I mean, really doesn't get to when you get older, life, there's so much life, getting away from everything. There's so many things I want to do that I can't. Obligations, I gotta work. Anyways. What you do now, you pass on to the next 40 years. The more you study, the more you learn, the farther you go to school, the more this you're gonna have later in life, and you get to do fun things.
I'm sorry.
In some ways, right? But rich is, it depends on what you value, right? Some people value money, some people value knowledge, some people value houses, some people value cars. I know people that have a Ferrari, but they live in an apartment. And I know people that live in a huge mansion and then they try to jalopy. So it's what people want. And I know people who just work so they can travel. They're always going to, Vietnam, they're going to, Greece, they're going to this. But it all starts where you ask for that. The more school you do, the more you go, the better you are in life. You will always have an obstacle. Someone's going to tell you, do this, do that, where you know that it's not a good idea, but, you're your own person, just decide what you gotta do. Here, we handle misdemeanor cases, so we get up to one of the lower level cases, like assault, drive, trespass, where you shoot a gun, something like this, that we come here,
anything where you're supposed to be here in jail or less, you come here to one of our, I am one of 16 here, county criminal. There's two types of charges, just felonies and misdemeanor. The difference on how much time you're facing. Anything a year or above the felony, a year and under is a misdemeanor. So that's what we do. We have all kinds on a daily basis. We have 60, 70, maybe up to 100 cases a day. So we're really moving fast. Anyone have any questions? Anyone? No one? You know, we have an open door policy. If you guys ever want to come, hang out, we're happy to have you. The fun days that we have here are called arraignment days, where we have people coming on their first setting. That's usually on a Monday, on Friday, where we have the most people that come in and you get to hear what happened on the case. Whether someone's picked up a charge while on bond, or they have bond violations, and they might get in trouble or not. But there are several trials going on now, if you guys are interested in watching other ones.
We'd like a group picture, please.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
I guess they go in, it's just kind of like there.
Well, yeah, you about to do a picture. However you want, you tell me.
You can there.
Right here's okay?
Yeah.
It's on one side. Okay, where's the gavel you're on?
Oh, right here.
May one of the students hold the gavel?
It's really heavy. Here,
Okay.
it's really heavy.
So, do we have enough room for one more student?
Sure.
Okay, one more, who's going? Okay. All right, scoot in, Fred.
This is heavy.
Okay.
It is?
All right, okay, thank you.
Come on. Yeah, sure.
There's no indication at all that people it's hard to justify.
I'll let you guys.
Okay, you all ready?
For that, then I'll call them.
Okay, thank you so much.
I don't use it. Someone just gave it.
How old is that? Do you know?
I have no idea. But if you hit someone with it, it's gonna hurt.
They want to shake your hand, Judge Fleischer.
There's
Look at this one.
He's got some people.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys. Keep
Oh, he's the good one.
Nice to meet you.
It kind of looks like it's a high school. It's kind of
Yes.
These are.
Sure.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
These are our.
I want a picture too. Make that ready. Can you take it on your phone?
Hi.
I don't even know when Memorial Day is.
2 years.
Yeah.
So, yeah, she can lose.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to check this. You take a picture of the girl doing it in a picture. No, I'm going to take it. I don't
Guys, thanks for coming. Like you said, there's a trial on court 2 and court 3, or 8 and 4. Or you're welcome to hang out here. However you guys want.
I'll take over, so.
Yes, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So, it's a, yeah.
One hundred percent. Anybody tells you, you know, I saw this in the all right, yeah, of course.
Always been to distinguish the two. I cannot. Yeah. Cannot. 100% indistinguishable. You can check. Both victims.
Hey, hi, Al, ready? What's up?
Your Honor, I am here with Miss Carnea Ferguson. She is here.
Okay.
The state has made a TI offer, which do you go to accept?
Let's see how old it is. Oof,
It was old.
377 days old.
She was in the room until March 6, 2026.
Great. What did you offer?
It is a drug and alcohol awareness course in 4 hours of community service.
Wonderful. 1 week.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 week.
Yes, sir.
And then if she doesn't have it done, I'm rolling her day for day till she gets it done. Let her know.
Okay.
What are you thinking, stinking?
No, that's no problem. I cleared my calendar for next week.
You can Zoom.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You can Zoom from Hawaii, man.
Okay.
We've had it.
Yes,
Really?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Got it.
Your Honor, thank you for that. Here's my, that was awesome.
What?
Usually.
Yeah, but I wish they would come in more often. They come in and on Wednesday, man. They've been,
They wanted to come see you.
sorry,
it's earlier. She called them out. Choking, they left me.
My arguments and very excellent. So they probably last month. Truly, the way it's made sound, but you didn't hear. No, it's like, well, I'm glad it's like, in the air said, had the vaccine. She's got, that we said,
I'm done with that.
yes.
Shreya, I just signed the dismissal.
Yes.
So if you want a copy.
And I'm gonna have one more plea coming in.
You said, did you say plea or dismissal?
A plea and.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. I see, thank you. Like, Lucas, All right, so Justin was not done on that day.
Dance, or dance action.
How big are you? I think it was.
Fine.
Is it for a special event?
To the wedding.
Okay, so you're going to the wedding. And you're 40 for a.
But I'm just saying, right, I'm.
Is the way.
Yeah.
Cause like, all. And so, you're just, you guys are all enough full check us out. It's just. I went to the wedding, they have a choreographed singing, dance, the last, I mean, I went to, it's like a Syrian wedding, the Syrian wedding. The groom just sang, it's a nice song. But, that was like, but I was comfortable, anything past that, it's just awful.
This one, they have like 7 things. I don't know if I said.
And I when you started, so I also went to a Jewish wedding. I was doing that because when they finished the ceremony, they brought everyone into the ballroom and they laid out the food. So I started eating my food. I got my plate, I put it down, and they're like, okay, now we're going to do all the different dances. They lifted the hair and we did the circles and all that. But I was like, can I eat first? Like, they take it right with me when I do circles. Like, I had to do circles right there. I was hungry. I'm hungry. You can't put food in the room. You're making two circles, then wait until I finish my circles before you put the food in the room. I took my bread before. But we did circles for long.
See, this one, there's the minimum, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
That's quite well.
Also, this way.
Is that just the new choreographed dances? It's not like a year.
Because there was an event for it. And that's cheap. Also, I like,
So then these new choreographed dances you put into the wedding are different than the choreographed dances.
Yeah. And then they run a policy.
Are you part of the wedding?
Yeah, I was gonna.
So like you can stand up there for the ceremony. So you're not like this. Wedding. Yes, sir. I have not thought in.
Yeah, speaking of which, the witchel witch, the wicked witch.
I mean, there's all, it's 30 API, you do that, I mean, I think you do those a million times. You could have done it in time like you last vote. I mean, it's just, those are the all right, like, there's a consequence for an action. I mean, that's what it is, we have to give takes. The 4-year-old, no, the 22-year-old. For what? What you said, why it says, you know, how we getting that decision from I mean, that's the defense, right? We're finding self-defense books. I mean, every assault case we ever have, there's some kind of form of self-defense, right? And so then we take the case and on a self-defense claim. There's no reasons. 100% of the cases that come in here are good. And 100% of them have to be something to do with these systems. No, giving you more right now. It shows why you offer. So this is nice. But 100% of cases, and then I'm not already going to the case, that is capable.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not there. I'm not doing that. I
Okay.
appreciate that. Well, that's the news one. If you're able to work directly locally. Right. Since some cases we've got violent offense, we have to evaluate whether or not it's a good case. I have taken what you're saying, but we're talking about that approach is really good, because that has to be able to push that
let's say. The guy who's in a shun, the baby mom, or the defendant. Yeah. Let's just think what he's doing now, and we'll go to the next couple. So like, this probably not. I mean, because defending his daughter because accomplished her the true. We're gonna try to see what do you want to do? Like, move to this.
Eric, you ready? Wait on state. Oh, that, yes, sir, thanks. Oh, someone else. Ready? I guess Perez is with you.
President Michael, yes.
Okay.
That's the meeting.
Please. Do you need the cause number? Victoria, do you have it?
I have it, Judge.
You got it? Okay. Diana, do you have it?
I do.
You ready?
All right.
261-8533.
853.
On a Perez. Perez, you speak English, sir?
Yes, sir.
So you're charged with harassment. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On May 1st, officer conducted a follow-up investigation based on a report from April 11th, 2026, where officer met with a complaining witness who stated that she was in a dating relationship with the defendant, and that they broke up, and she informed him that he cannot contact her in any way. The complainant stated that she then proceeded to block the defendant from all social media accounts and from her phone number, so he cannot contact her. And the defendant began to send her Zelle transactions, and she knew it was him because his phone number was attached to the transactions. Complainant stated that the Zelle transactions ranged from 5 cents to $20, and a written memo attached to each of them. 3 transactions, and 2 of the 3 had a memo stating that she was no longer willing to answer the Zelle messages, and that the defendant needs to stop contacting her. And then on April 10th, she received 4 transactions. April 19th, she received another transaction. May 1st, she received 4 transactions, consisting of memos typed by the defendant saying, "I'm glad you already moved on because you had nothing going for you." Quote, MAGA, quote, "Get gas because you're going to need it." Quote, "Don't send it back. Trump wants you to have it." The complainant stated that she wants to press charges because she cannot remove her phone number from her Zelle account due to the fact of it being a payment method, and she keeps receiving these messages.
Okay. Mr. Trevino, I'm going to find that Mr. Perez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm entering in now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. Deep as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is a stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. If you violate this court order, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand? You're also not to be in possession of any weapons. And when I mean no contact of any kind, social media, Zelle, anything whatsoever. You do, it's just not going to end well for you. Do you understand? So what do you think for a bond?
Judge, we would ask for a personal bond, and the alternative, if you wanted to go up, we'd ask for 500. He does have a Burnsville bond present today.
What's your position on a PR bond?
We said 500, Judge.
Okay, I'll set your bond at $500. I'll grant you a PR bond today, Mr. Press, but I want you to understand something. Like I said, it's not a revolving door. If I have to revoke your PR bond, I'm going to raise it up and I'm going to make it extremely high. Do you understand? No means no. I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care who tells you what. I don't care what party you go to. Do you understand? I'm going to have you sign a reset. We will have you take your signature bucks while we get your bond conditions, while we get your bond ready, and then we'll go from there. All right,
Over here
please.
first.
Oh, this way. Yeah, states. So no contact, no weapons, and then, yeah, the PR.
Pre-trial bond conditions?
States.
Okay.
I usually like.
All right, go ahead and sign.
Mr. Arnsworth. Good morning, sir.
I'm here. It's actually on an off docket matter. The coordinator told me to approach by Zoom on a case.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 2575454. My
Hey,
client is
give me 1 second. Let me get the state. Sean, I think this is your case, actually. This is on Mr. Jones. Tell me when you're ready.
Forward sent it to me. I haven't.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, did you do a $500 PR bond or?
PR bond.
Surety.
PR bond.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah.
They were. This one's good.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Burr.
Thank you, Judge.
Good to see you, man. Okay, what's the deal, Pickle?
okay. Judge, my client was approved for a PTI, DWI PTI program. He contacted me last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. And he can't afford to do the program and pay, I guess, his living expenses. And he wanted to see about getting out of the program and just pleading to a time served on the DWI.
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
State, what do you guys think?
Let me talk to my chief about it.
Mr. Hyde, what do you think?
That's fine, dude. Not opposed.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's opposed to it and we're all okay with it.
Okay,
Just
Judge.
probably the sooner you bring him, the sooner he gets done with it and can get everything removed and be done with it at one time. So we're at your mercy when you want to bring him, you know?
Oh, okay, Judge. Well, I'll reach out to the coordinator and see if we can get on the docket and come in and get the plea done.
Okay. Just tell me, you want to tell me, just tell me now? You know?
I can reach out to him if
No,
he's
okay, take your time. I thought you already knew when. No, take your
No, I
time.
don't know yet, Judge.
Whatever you want. Just email
Okay.
her and then we can put it on for when you want.
Okay. Thank you so much, Judge.
You got it. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Did something happen on Robinson's case upstairs? What's going on with that?
No, it's pending, it's not indicted yet. It's just.
How long's it been? Has it? It's been 6 months? No. They
No,
have to indict it within 6 months.
I believe it was from February and he got charged in March.
Oh, that's right. Right. It's only, okay. So you don't want to wait to see if there's a global, I guess? Is this what he wants to
I
do?
did want to wait and Mr. Robinson wants to take this plea again.
Your advice? You want me to make a docket notation?
Yes, and he'll agree to it. He wants to.
Okay.
Yes. So the document.
He's in the driver's seat. Was there any restitution that's owed in the theft?
No, recovered. but
Okay. Well, no, if you're telling me, then I.
it was Target.
Okay. Is anyone from the family here now?
Yes.
Who's here?
Charles's mother is.
Or who's here for Mr. Robinson? Come up, ma'am. Are you mom? Are you mom?
She's not here. No, that's your, oh, I thought she said, he said my mom's here. The
No,
grandma.
no. You are mom?
Mhm.
So council has advised not to do this because perhaps they can work some kind of global resolution with everything. It might take a little bit more time. Mr. Robinson, that case is probably one of the worst cases that you can get on your record. Once you're branded a thief, it becomes really hard to get a job. People look down on you all the time just because they know if you're a convicted thief, there's a good possibility that you might steal from them. Do you understand? You don't want to wait to see if there's something global that can happen with everything?
Do you want to wait or something? You want to wait? And you don't want to take the justice? Okay. Okay.
What's going on with Mr. Robinson now? And so prior to the aggravated robbery, was he living with you? What was he doing?
He was back home, he was in school, doing everything he needed to do.
What the heck happened?
It was the time period where we lost him a little. And then we got him on board, but then in that period, yeah, so this other charge was before all of this. It was, he may have already seen you, but they didn't charge him with it until the day before his court, which was March 4th.
How do we, have you guys spoken about bonding out?
So, yeah, so the gun here is way too high. To put with the oven, so it's putting them at like 70.
I understand, right, I understand.
Right.
My problem is, and if we do a lower bond, how are we going to ensure that he doesn't pick up a fourth case?
So he had a monitor. He was never not where he was supposed to be. He was in school Monday through Friday, and he was home. I'm not gonna stay here until he wasn't home and he was.
Are you working at this time? Do you work?
I work, but I get off at 5 p.m. I also have cameras. He also was under a monitor. They cannot say he was not going from Travis High School back to my. So Judge, and.
I don't want you to plead guilty just to get out.
And that's what he's doing.
That's the rub. I don't want you to plead guilty to get out. But I gotta know that my public is safe because I'm going to protect it at all costs. And it scares me, the things that continue to happen. Do you understand? Jail sucks. And I hope at a minimum, you will have seen all the old timers in there to see all the people that come in and out and in and out of jail that make it a lifetime. There are way too many people in this life that are just a statistic because they keep going in and out. And the problem is when you hang with dogs, you get fleas, as you now see, because you can just be with the wrong person and you become a co-conspirator, meaning that you are part of the whole shebang, even though you didn't want, you didn't intend. Had you known, you wouldn't have gone. Nevertheless, when you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Do you understand, Mr. Robinson? How long has he been in custody now?
That's right.
The thing is that if I were to test you now, there's a very big possibility that you would test negative for marijuana or anything. I'm going to lower your bond now, but I'm going to tell you, if I find that you test positive for weed one time into jail, you will go back. And I'm telling you now, I'm not going to sit here and do this again. Do you understand? You will be given a strict curfew of school and home. No hanging out with any friends, no going to after school dances, no going to basketball, whatever, nothing. You go to school and you go home. You understand? Because if not, there's only one place you're going to go. And you know now, when we put a bond high, you're stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? What do you want?
Would you do?
$19,000 here, and I know that he's bond forfeited twice.
I don't want him to end up with just another conviction, just pleading guilty to get out. And I'm willing to help you, and I want to, but it has to be on both ends. I need your help as well. I can't do this alone because I don't want him just to plead guilty to just end up with a conviction to get out. I will give you a low bond with the understanding that you and I are on the same page, that he gets a monitor prior to release. He's stuck at home. He cannot go out to parties. He cannot go out to, well, I don't know.
Judge, we just want to make sure the bonds, give that permission comes back since he didn't twice. He's bond forfeited twice.
They'll have a monitor on his ankle. Why don't you guys talk, figure it out. I'm happy to do whatever works with you.
Such very big. Probation offered for a year now. What was good as a class B? Other than that. Okay. That's good. I'm just. Okay, that's good. So let me know. Thanks. Oh. Yeah, that's not. Oh, sorry, Laura is going to. Just I'm just here. Oh, and so it's fine. We started with more Okay.
Judge Max Coach.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sounds good though. Thanks.
Shreya, what do you think?
Would you consider $1,000 bond? I think it's 40 up there.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Oh, I saw 25 though.
it's 25.
Sorry, it's 25. I just need $40. I don't know if they're even gonna make it, I'm gonna be honest, but they're gonna try to put together the bond money.
I'm okay with that.
1,000?
Yeah.
And that's a big hit for this company.
Yeah, I get it. But
I understand, and we've talked about it, and we are all on the same page.
so we need proof of enrollment within a week of release.
A school?
I want him to be in school. That's
Yeah.
the point.
And he was in
So-
school, I think school ends in 2 weeks. I don't know if they'll take him for a week, but
Oh, no, you're right. Damn
I
it.
mean, I'll try.
No. I think you're right. It's pointless to try to.
Maybe I think, and I'm still gonna talk to him about summer school and stuff like that.
So, right, come on up.
So
What do-
Travis, but it's going down, I'm not sure what they're gonna go to, he's been out of schools for so long.
What do we do for the summer?
So he's gonna be home, he has curfew, unless he's able to get a job. Is there a
That's what-
way we can put him in the summer program for school, to sort of make that kind of thing on? I can reach out to the school and find out where his desk is at,
But a job may be a great idea as well, just when they have too much time on their hands, they just get into, something to occupy his time, whether school or work. And I'm willing to do the $1,000 bound on each case, only want him to be productive. That's all I want, and no marijuana. That's it. So, okay. Or just a GPS prior to release with the understanding that,
yes.
you know,
School or work.
school or work,
within-
full-time,
And
or I
I
guess-
guess Sarah's actually really good
or
on it.
I guess part-time because he's
Okay.
young. I mean, I don't think we can expect him to work full-time, but
And it's $1,000 bond on each charge too.
yeah, I don't want him to just plead guilty to get out. Really. On both cases, correct, right.
Okay, and then can I get a regular set on it? Because felony is like set for tomorrow and then after for indictment.
Absolutely.
Alright.
And then, what I would say is after that, let's start putting him on the same day.
Yeah.
So just stay in touch with, so that we can put the days on the same day, so you don't have to keep coming and going on different days. That way it's more efficient for you guys. Okay, all right, good luck, man.
Thank you, boss. Okay, got it.
Yeah, so, why else is it the guy? Yes, like, so we don't.
Okay, no worries. No, it's 17. Oh, that is huge. You're the one. Yeah, I'm so pretty.
Okay.
Yes.
No, that was. Shreya, have you ever been to a wedding where it's
Every way. My own way.
You had choreographed, how many? Are you doing that in the factory room?
Of course, you have dance. I just do.
Oh, they're like excluded from the dance.
You're otherwise you will.
Do you like it though? You know it?
No.
Oh, man. Fascinating. Did anyone like it, or is it this kind of like a culture that is forced to dance? That's the thing is.
Yeah. He's like a little bit lost than we are. Yeah. That was. He was saying.
Did it make you uncomfortable? Is that what you wore for the wedding?
No, God.
Oh, I can't.
You know, it all sorts of, it was a cultural change. That's on it. It's been all over it.
Oh, you can Google things. I'm sorry. Yeah. So the one more. Sitting off your friend or doing it, just going to home.
Hey, Victoria, you ready?
Bottom of page. Just put it on the radar.
Yeah.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Also, page 18 was the required appearance.
Yeah, 5001.
It should be available. What?
Page 21. Is council Zoom on? Okay, well, they have a validate today. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. Yeah.
Bottom of 47. Did show up, and Charles.
For
Yeah, so, she hasn't presented positive for amphetamines, but she does have, prescriptions on file, so we would need to wait for the lab to confirm if it was positive.
how long is it gonna take the lab to get back?
Estimate about a week.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so let's put it on for a week to get the lab back.
So your husband's Pakistani.
I'll let council know when he comes back.
Sure.
Page 29 was an arraignment, how to appear to bonds posted.
5002.
Okay. Was it Florence? Yeah, see, that's the other. No. You always have to put patents over the wall, which you think it happens. You appreciate that.
It's reasonable. It's reasonable. It's not very common. This is my wife. No, seriously, she said, "Oh, it's no, I don't have to be on the, you know, your classes. No, right, she just. What does this do? And also, I was in the restriction, because of
Hey, on gray, all conditions continue as they were.
Yeah. It looks like he currently has the GPS and the scribe and he's compliant.
Right, okay.
All over.
Sorry, go ahead and second.
No, I don't.
Edge, who's?
Now, post up and down, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Where are we headed with Miss Wall?
It's no problem, they, reset it for a week, so.
Sure. Do we have an agreement?
Oh, Ms. Wall, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Judge. Yes, we have an agreement for her to pay restitution, complete the anger management class, and case will be dismissed.
Great,
So she
okay.
told me she's gonna get it done today.
Oh, wonderful. Well, as soon as she gets done, soon as she's done, right?
So
Yeah.
she said, I gave her the restitution bill, so she's
Okay.
gonna pay that,
Great,
and she's gonna do the anger management tonight now.
okay,
But we reset the case for her.
sure.
I have another one, Stephen Taylor, he's in custody. Really old case, he bond forfeited, he's finally back, picked up. I believe he has evading and the DWI, felony evading and DWI.
Okay,
I don't know what you do in this situation.
right, I would say just give it a week or two, find out what is happening in the felony court.
I think the felony court date is in June sometime, right?
Yes, you're right. I guess set it after if you want. Yeah. Hey, so GPS prior to release on Mr. Taylor, because he's a flight risk, no alcohol, no drugs. Does he have a license?
He does charge them taking travelability.
Wow, he has 2 prior intoximans.
Two separate.
Well, 2 counts of it at least. Look at this.
It's eligible.
It's eligible? Okay. Yeah, whatever you want. If he bonds out, he's got to stay, we'll give him a GPS prior to release, just,
He's at no bond and felony right now.
yeah, I get it. So, but they may at some point give him one. So I guess,
All right,
Yeah.
so we'll come back to
Yep.
that. felony.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
okay, take care of him.
You too, sir.
Hi, good morning. Yes. Where are we headed with Mr. Gray?
So on him, today, he's, the judge bond.
Yes, we're going to redo the bond conditions today.
Yes.
But nevertheless, it's 160 days, I think. If I'm, let me see, make sure. It's 160 days. So application was submitted. Was the application submitted?
Yes, Judge, it was.
Do we know? Gray?
Review it right now.
Okay. Give us about 2 minutes and we'll see. Mr. Gray, if you don't mind just taking a seat real quick.
Yes. Efficient.
Did you say he's a student?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Got it. If it's a yay, then we'll send him to go do a TRAS now. If it's a nay, we'll give you a couple weeks to, you guys decide what you want to do. Okay? Do you have anyone else in back?
No.
Oh, who's gentleman back there?
Mr., he's waiting on Council Brooklyn. But it's not.
No, okay, sit down.